It is built not on goodwill alone, but on goals that are measurable, sustainable, and transformative. I wish to acknowledge my industry peers who have joined us this evening. Your presence affirms the depth of commitment across all businesses to driving not only profits, but also purpose. It is especially a privilege for us to welcome our colleague from Vodacom Lesotho, Wale Masil. Did I say it correctly? Who joins us to share insights, to share valuable ways in which how businesses can strategically partner with government and the United Nations for the betterment of children. These are the types of multi-sector collaborations that we must continue to scale and sustain. We recognize that investing in children is not charity. It is visionary business practice. Communities prosper when children are safe, educated, and empowered. And businesses flourish when they operate in stable, thriving societies. Child-focused investment strengthens our future talent pools, reinforces community trust, enhances brand equity, and contributes directly to market resilience. So, whether we are talking about projects and initiatives such as ABSA's Children's Marathon to promote financial literacy among children, or our own Mascom initiative, that is a project that is aimed at ensuring that within the Good Hope District, 4 schools, 4 pre-primary schools, are revamped and reimagined to provide smart classrooms for children. Whether it be any other initiative for children, it is very important and fundamental for the growth and participation of children in this economy. This forum has been established to catalyze and coordinate efforts such as these. Its objectives include embedding child rights into the heart of corporate governance, into the heart of corporate strategy and reporting, mobilizing and aligning private sector resources with national development priorities, creating spaces for innovation, knowledge exchange, and collective problem solving, advocating for policies and environments that enable responsible business practices towards children. The road ahead will require bold leadership, shared responsibility, and a willingness to reimagine the role of business in society. It invites us to build not only profitable enterprises, but prosperous futures for the children of Botswana. On behalf of the Private Sector Forum for Child Rights, and on my own behalf as the Mascom CEO, I truly thank you for being here. Your presence tonight signals your readiness to walk this path together. So let us celebrate, let us connect, and let us definitely commit. Ahaisu, have a wonderful evening.